everybody, welcome back to another video. Yes, another pool video, because I know that's what you people really love, is these pool videos. I have a product here from Summerbuddy. It's a pool winterizing kit. It's set up for 15,000 gallons of water. It's got a pound of stain remover, a pound of balancer, 16 ounces of winterizer, a pound of chlorine-free shock oxidizer. And basically on this product, what you do is you're supposed to mix it all up, put it in the water, let the water circulate with the pump for about 12 hours, and then you can cover your pool. So what I think we're going to do is I'm going to open up the kit. I'll show you the bags a little bit better. Wait, my pool's already covered. I just did a winterizing kit last week. Hold on.
12 seconds later.
Okay, I have a plan. I just called my buddy Chris. He's going to let me winterize his pool. So let's go over to his house. Okay, so there's 4 things that come in this kit. This is your balancer. This you're going to mix I'm going to mix this in a bucket full of water. We're going to break it down and make sure it's dissolved, and we're going to pour that in the pool first. This just maintains your balance through the off season. It's maintain pool balance and clarity, eliminate acidic substances that causes equipment aging, and reduce water odor. This one here is a stain remover, restore brilliance, clear pool surface stains and scalp buildup, prevent surface staining and discoloration of water, control iron and other metal content. You know, a lot can happen to the water when it's covered through the off season, so this is definitely going to help being a stain remover. Here we have a chlorine-free shock oxidizer, just like it says, deep purification. This is just going to prevent non-living organic pollution getting into the water. It's kind of like a chlorine-free big-time shock to it. And then last but not least, we're going to pour this into the water. This is your actual winterizer. We're going to do this last. So this is what I'm going to do with all the products. Break open the bag, pour it on in, and we'll start to stir it up. You just want to make sure it's really good and dissolved in there, so when you pour it into the pool, there's no buildup of chunks or anything like that. And last but not least, we're going to add the winterizer. We're just going to pour a little bit all around the edge, all the way around. Well, in closing here, the chemical has all been added to the pool. It's definitely having a reaction to it already. There was a little bit of mustard algae that we noticed that was on the bottom of the pool. That has already disintegrated. The shock has already changed that dark color to white. So it's definitely having a good reaction to the water. Chris is going to let it run for about 12 to 14 hours with the pump going, and he's going to cover this tomorrow. I'm not going to show you the covering because I have other videos for that, and I will link those in the description of this video. So again, thank you for watching another video. Thank you to Summerbuddy for sending me this product. We will do a follow-up video in the spring when Chris uncovers his pool, and we'll see how the product worked out. So again, thank you. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them, and have a blessed day.